Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a new group on Facebook Messenger. If you want to use or create a Facebook group, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your Messenger app and here just tap on this icon, tap on it, then select create new group chat, select it and here you can easily enter the group name. If you want, just enter that and here just tap on done and here you must have to add members. As I'm going to add this one, just tap on it and here you just have to add some more members. So just search for anyone and here just add some members. As I have added some members here, just tap on this create option to create a new group. So here your group is ready. Now you can easily chat with your friends in a Facebook Messenger group. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.